Hello?
Hi, how are you?
Who is this?
John Kimball. I'm a friend of Sarah Connor. I was told that she's here. Where is she?
Hello?
Sarah Connor. I'm a friend of Sarah Connor. I was told that she's here. Where is she?
I don't know.
Come
I think
on,
you have the
don't
wrong
bullshit
number.
me. Come on, don't bullshit me. You know you're lying. Fucking bitch. You idiot!
Who is this?
John Kimball. Where is she? She's a healthy female of breeding age.
Say that again?
She's a healthy female of breeding age. Where is she? Fuck you.
Hold on 1 minute. I'm getting her. Hold on 1 minute. John Kimball.
Yeah.
This is a joke?
No. Negative.
What's her name again?
Sarah Connor. Where is she?
Sarah Connor?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on. Hello?
Hi, how are you?
Hi. Good, how are you?
I'm a friend of Sarah Connor. I was told that she's here. You!
What?
Sarah Connor? You!
You're looking for me?
Yeah.
Sarah Connor's not here. We already just asked.
Bullshit.
You're crazy, dude.
Come on, don't bullshit me. Where is she?
No, seriously, she's not here. She just left.
Bullshit!
No, I promise. There's nothing but old women with kids here.
You're a psychopathic bitch.
What?
You're a psychopathic bitch.
A puppy bitch?
Fucking bitch!
Alright, well, we'll tell Sarah that you called.
Fuck you, asshole.
Martin.
Good morning. How are you?
Good, thank you.
I'm a friend of Sarah Connor. I was told that she's here. Where is she?
Oh, I don't know. You know, you've actually called the very top of the Seattle Space Needle.
Bullshit.
I swear to you.
Fuck you. You know you're
that's
lying.
charming, but I'm actually telling you the truth.
Bullshit!
It's true.
You're
How
a
old are you?
fucking choir boy compared to me! A choir boy! Stop being such a pussy! Dickhead.
Who is this?
John Kimball.
Oh, hello, John.
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Well, I've got news for you. You are mine now. You belong to me.
Is that right?
Yes!
Would you like to talk to my nephew?
Yeah.
Okay. He's cocaine and crazy. Hello?
Hi, how are you?
Good. You're calling the Space Needle. Why?
Sarah Connor. Where is she?
Where's who?
Sarah Connor. She's a healthy female of breeding age.
What?
Where is she?
What's wrong with you?
I'm a friend of Sarah Connor. I was told that she's here.
You're weird.